Imagine your body as a complex electrical circuit, with nerves serving as the wiring. These nerves, a vital part of our body's network, carry messages to and from the brain, helping us feel, move, breathe, and even think. Maintaining nerve health is therefore like ensuring that the wiring in this intricate circuitry is in top shape. But what happens when the wiring, or in this case our nerves, start to deteriorate? Damage to our nerves can disrupt these important messages, causing a myriad of issues, from numbness and pain to more serious conditions like paralysis and even life-threatening diseases. This is where the importance of nerve health truly comes into focus. Now think of vitamins as the maintenance crew for our body's electrical circuit. They play a vital role in keeping our nerves healthy and functioning optimally. These essential nutrients help repair any damage, boost nerve function, and even protect our nerves from potential harm. Let's take a closer look at these superheroes of nerve health. There are 6 vitamins in particular that are crucial for nerve repair and overall health. These include vitamin B1, also known as the energy booster, vitamin B6, the mood regulator, vitamin B12, the nerve rebuilder, vitamin D, the strength enhancer, and vitamins E and C, our protective duo. Each of these vitamins has a specific role in maintaining and repairing our nerves, and incorporating them into our daily diet can greatly enhance our nerve health. Studies from reputable institutions like the National Institutes of Health and the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition have validated the essential role of these vitamins in nerve health. They have found that a diet rich in these vitamins can help prevent nerve damage, improve nerve function, and even aid in the repair of damaged nerves. Understanding how to nourish our nerves is a crucial step towards maintaining our body's intricate circuitry. In the upcoming scenes, we will delve deeper into each of these vitamins, their roles in nerve health, and how you can ensure you're getting enough of them in your daily diet or supplement routine. So, stay tuned and let's embark on this journey towards optimal nerve health together. First on our list is vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. This mighty vitamin plays a pivotal role in nerve health. It's a key player in energy production, helping your body convert food into fuel. But that's not all. Vitamin B1 also enhances nerve communication, ensuring your nervous system functions smoothly. A study published in the Journal of Neurological Science found that thiamine deficiency can lead to nerve damage, underscoring its critical role in maintaining nerve health. This research, among others, validates the essential benefits of vitamin B1 for our nerves. So how can we ensure we're getting enough of this energy booster? Well, it's simpler than you might think. Whole grains, meat, and nuts are all packed with vitamin B1. So by incorporating these into your daily diet, you're not only fueling your body, but also fortifying your nerves. Incorporate vitamin B1 into your diet through whole grains, meat, and nuts to keep your nerves energized. Next, we have vitamin B6, the mood regulator. This water-soluble vitamin has a crucial role in maintaining nerve health. It's actively involved in the production of neurotransmitters, which are chemical messengers that transmit signals throughout our body. Neurotransmitters like serotonin, norepinephrine, and GABA are essential for mood regulation. And guess what? They all rely on vitamin B6 for their production. A study published in the Journal of Neurology, Neurosurgery, and Psychiatry confirmed the significance of vitamin B6 in nerve health. It showed that a deficiency of this vitamin can lead to nerve damage, hence affecting our mood and overall well-being. So, how can we ensure we're getting enough of this mood regulator? Some of the best food sources of vitamin B6 include fish, potatoes, and starchy vegetables. By incorporating these into our diets, we're not just fueling our bodies with essential nutrients, we're also promoting balanced nerve function. Let's now turn our attention to vitamin B12, the nerve rebuilder. This essential nutrient plays a critical role in maintaining the health of our nerve cells. It's like a caretaker, ensuring our nerves are well nourished and functioning at their best. But that's not all. Vitamin B12 is also a master rebuilder, stepping in to repair damaged nerves and help them regain their strength. A study published in the Journal of Neurology, Neurosurgery, and Psychiatry underscores this point. The researchers found that individuals with adequate levels of vitamin B12 showed significant improvements in nerve function and reduction in nerve damage. Quite impressive, isn't it? But how do you ensure you're getting enough of this nerve rebuilder? Well, vitamin B12 is naturally found in a wide range of foods, including dairy products and meat. For those on a plant-based diet, fortified cereals are a great option, so ensure sufficient vitamin B12 intake to support nerve repair and regeneration. Up next is vitamin D, the strength enhancer. Often associated with bone health, vitamin D plays a significant role in nerve health as well. It contributes to the growth, development, and strengthening of our nerves. This mighty vitamin helps to maintain the nerve's protective coating, known as the myelin sheath, which ensures smooth and efficient transmission of nerve signals. According to a study published in the Journal of Neurology, Neurosurgery, and Psychiatry, a deficiency in vitamin D can lead to nerve damage, emphasizing the importance of this particular vitamin in maintaining nerve health. So, how can we ensure our body gets enough vitamin D? Well, our body naturally produces vitamin D when our skin is exposed to sunlight. Moreover, we can get it from our diet. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel, fortified foods such as milk and cereal, and even egg yolks are excellent sources. Soak up some sunlight or consume fatty fish and fortified foods to boost your vitamin D levels and enhance nerve strength. Finally, we have vitamins E and C, the protective duo. These two vitamins play a crucial role in maintaining and supporting our nerve health. But how do they do this? It's all about their powerful antioxidant properties. Let's start with vitamin E. This vitamin is a potent antioxidant that helps protect our body's cells, including nerve cells, from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable atoms that can harm cells, leading to illness and aging. By neutralizing these damaging particles, vitamin E ensures the health and longevity of our nerves. Now, a study published in the Journal of the Peripheral Nervous System further supports this. The research found that patients with nerve damage who were given vitamin E supplements showed significant improvements in nerve function. This shows the potential of vitamin E in aiding nerve repair and combating nerve-related diseases. Next up is vitamin C. Often associated with boosting immunity, this vitamin also plays a significant role in nerve health. Like vitamin E, vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant. It helps in the production of collagen, a protein that helps hold tissues together, including nerves. A study from the Journal of Neurological Sciences adds weight to this. The research found that vitamin C can help slow the progression of nerve damage and even promote nerve regeneration. It's clear that vitamin C is not just for colds. But how can you incorporate these protective vitamins into your diet? It's simpler than you might think. For vitamin E, think nuts and seeds, spinach and broccoli. As for vitamin C, it's abundant in citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, and kiwi. Remember, a well-rounded diet is key to ensuring you get these essential nutrients. And if you're considering supplements, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional first. Incorporate vitamins E and C into your diet through fruits, vegetables, and seeds to shield your nerves from potential damage. Nerve health is not something to take lightly, so let's give it the attention it deserves. Now that we've explored these crucial vitamins, it's time to put this knowledge into action. Nerve health is not just a concern for the elderly or those with specific medical conditions, it affects us all. Depending on your individual health circumstances, you might also consider vitamin supplements to ensure you're getting the right amounts of these nerve-supporting nutrients. Remember, it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement routine. A regular health checkup is also key in maintaining nerve health. The benefits of prioritizing nerve health go beyond just preventing nerve damage. A healthy nervous system can enhance your overall quality of life, improving everything from your mood and energy levels to your physical strength and resilience. And finally, remember that nerve health isn't a one-time effort. It's a lifelong commitment. Incorporate these tips into your daily routines and make them a part of your health-first lifestyle. Remember, by prioritizing your nerve health today, you're investing in a healthier, more vibrant tomorrow.